Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to DocSend for secure investor and client document sharing, complete guide step by step clearly. Once there, locate the sign up button, typically found on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a strong password for your account. Once your email and password are set, click on the Get Started button. Next, check your inbox for a verification email from DocSend. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the DocSend website. Log in using your email address and the password you just created. After logging in, you will be directed to the DocSend dashboard. From here, explore the different subscription plans available. Choose the plan that best fits your needs by clicking on the plan details. You may be shown a comparison of features included in each plan. Review the features carefully to ensure it meets your document sharing requirements. You will then be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details along with any required billing information. After entering your payment info, confirm your subscription by clicking Complete Purchase. Once your payment is processed, you can now start uploading documents for secure sharing with investors and clients. To upload a document, click on the New Document button in your dashboard. Select the file you wish to upload from your device. Once the file is uploaded, you can adjust sharing settings as needed. With your subscription active, you're ready to utilize DocSend for all your document sharing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.